about the drilling machine, and we have 4 members, and that I as the moderator yet introduce myself. Name Husni Riyanto, and my friend.
My name is Aji Taufik Izbulloh.
My name is Idha Tri Puntadi.
My name is Ferdi Ariyanto.
And here we will explain the meaning of the drilling machine, the function of the machine, how to turn on drilling machine. Okay. And the part of the machine drilling. The meaning of the drilling machine is equal of machine with motion, not attach and putting tool which fit the drill with and the axis of the machine, and the drilling machine also operator of sequence row holes in the working sheet pushing a rotation after killing a drill.
Drilling machine. Drilling machine holder. Column drilling. Drilling table. Drilling bed. Cylinder drilling. Drill feed spindle. On dynamo drilling machine area city.
To maintain a drilling machine. To bring action to element first young. Chips must be cleaned using a brushing to short rovers, spindle, bags, and pulley must be clamped.
Machine box type. Preparation drill beds isolated. Preparation material or workpiece that will be drilled. Position the drill bit with the hole mold. Adjustment of item to be done. The drill will end correctly.
Of the drilling machine, and we bisa of something goes wrong or the words are not good, and not of presentasi of the class B. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi